everyone, let's talk about MyFitnessPal. This app is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their health and fitness. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, MyFitnessPal has something to offer you. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started on their health journey. It's an app that helps you make healthy choices. Imagine having a tool that not only tracks what you eat, but also provides insights into your nutritional intake. MyFitnessPal does just that. It helps you understand the nutritional value of the foods you consume, making it easier to make informed decisions about your diet. You can scan barcodes, search for foods, and even create your own recipes. It's like having a personal trainer and nutritionist right on your phone. The app offers personalized recommendations based on your goals, whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain your current fitness level. It also syncs with other fitness apps and devices, so you can keep all your health data in one place. This integration makes it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. MyFitnessPal helps you track your food. You can log everything you eat and drink throughout the day. The app provides a comprehensive database of foods, including restaurant items, so you can accurately track your intake no matter where you are. This feature is especially useful for those who eat out frequently or have a busy lifestyle. You can see what you eat every day. The app breaks down your daily intake into macronutrients and micronutrients, giving you a clear picture of your diet. This information can help you identify areas where you might need to make changes, such as increasing your protein intake or reducing your sugar consumption. It's like having a nutritionist in your pocket. It also tracks your exercise. You can log your workouts, whether you're doing cardio, strength training, or yoga. The app calculates the calories burned during each activity, helping you understand the impact of your exercise routine on your overall health. This feature is great for those who want to balance their calorie intake with their physical activity. You'll see how many calories you burn. This information is crucial for anyone looking to manage their weight. By understanding how many calories you burn during your workouts, you can adjust your diet accordingly. The app also provides insights into your daily activity levels, encouraging you to stay active throughout the day. This helps you make better choices. With all this information at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions about your health and fitness. The app provides daily and weekly summaries of your progress, helping you stay on track and reach your goals. It's like having a personal health coach guiding you every step of the way. You can reach your fitness goals faster. Ready to feel amazing? Let's get started. With MyFitnessPal, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. From tracking your food and exercise to providing personalized recommendations, this app is your ultimate health companion. So why wait? Download MyFitnessPal today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. First, download MyFitnessPal. It's free on your phone's app store. Open the app and you'll see the sign-up screen. Enter your email address and create a password. The app will ask some questions to help personalize your experience. You'll enter your age, height, and current weight. You'll also share your goal weight. The app uses this information to calculate your daily calorie needs. Now let's log your food. Keeping track of what you eat is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps you understand your eating habits and make better choices. Tap the plus button and choose food. Select a meal. This is where you can add breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even snacks. It's important to log everything you consume to get an accurate picture of your diet. You can search for foods you ate. The search function is very user-friendly. Just type in the name of the food, and you'll see a list of options to choose from. This makes it easy to find exactly what you ate. The app has a huge database. It shows you the calories and nutrients. This information is crucial for understanding the nutritional value of your meals. You can see how many calories you're consuming and how much protein, fat, and carbohydrates are in each item. You can even scan barcodes, which is a quick way to add packaged foods. This feature is incredibly convenient, especially when you're in a hurry. Just scan the barcode and all the nutritional information will be automatically added to your log. Log everything you eat and drink. Be honest with yourself. This is the only way to get a true picture of your eating habits. If you skip logging certain items, you won't have an accurate record, which can affect your progress. This helps you stay on track. By regularly logging your food, you can see patterns in your eating habits and make adjustments as needed. This is a powerful tool for achieving your health and fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. The more diligent you are with logging, the better your results will be. Time to track your workouts. Tap the plus button and choose exercise. Find your workout. You can log cardio, strength training, and more. The app calculates calories burned. You can even add custom workouts. Input the exercise name, add the duration and intensity. MyFitnessPal will save it for next time. All right, let's dive into setting your sights, goals, and milestones. Setting goals is a crucial part of any fitness journey. It gives you a clear direction and something to strive for. Without goals, it's easy to lose motivation and direction. But with the right goals, you can stay focused and motivated even when things get tough. Goals keep you motivated, and MyFitnessPal helps you set realistic ones. The app is designed to make the process of setting and achieving your fitness goals as straightforward as possible. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply maintain your current fitness level, MyFitnessPal has the tools you need. Start by going to your profile and tapping goals. This is where you'll set your primary fitness objectives. The app will guide you through the process, making it easy to input your current stats and desired outcomes. It's important to be honest and realistic when setting these goals to ensure you can achieve them. You can choose to lose, gain, or maintain weight. Each of these options will have different requirements and strategies, and MyFitnessPal will tailor its recommendations based on your choice. For example, if you choose to lose weight, the app will suggest a calorie deficit, while if you choose to gain weight, it will recommend a calorie surplus. The app will adjust your calorie target accordingly. This is a crucial feature because it takes the guesswork out of your diet. By providing you with a specific calorie target, MyFitnessPal helps you stay on track and make informed decisions about your food intake. This can be especially helpful if you're new to tracking your diet and aren't sure where to start. You can also set goals for macros. Macros, or macronutrients, are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts: carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Each of these plays a different role in your body, and getting the right balance is key to achieving your fitness goals. Now, macros are carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Carbohydrates provide energy, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and fat is important for overall health. By tracking your macros, you can ensure you're getting the right balance of these nutrients to support your fitness goals. Tracking macros helps you make healthier food choices. When you know how much of each macronutrient you need, you can plan your meals accordingly. This can help you avoid overeating or undereating certain nutrients and ensure you're fueling your body properly. MyFitnessPal makes it easy to track your macros and stay on top of your nutrition. As you progress, it's important to review and adjust your goals. MyFitnessPal allows you to track your progress and make changes as needed. This ensures that your goals remain relevant and achievable, and helps you stay motivated as you see your progress over time. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and keep pushing towards your ultimate fitness goals. Next up, let's talk about staying the course tips for success. Consistency is key. Make sure to log your food every day, even on weekends. Don't be afraid to adjust your goals because, life happens. Be kind to yourself. Find healthy recipes you love. This makes healthy eating enjoyable. Connect with friends on the app, support each other, and celebrate your victories. Remember, this is a journey. There will be ups and downs. Listen to your body and rest when you need it. MyFitnessPal is a tool that helps you make healthier choices. Use it to learn about your eating habits so you can make sustainable changes. You've got this. Congratulations! You've taken the first step. You're on your way to a healthier you. Remember to log your food, track your exercise, set realistic goals, and stay consistent. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. You're capable of amazing things. Now go crush your goals.